We'll guide you through how to restart or factory reset an Android TV. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So restarting is just going to go and simply turn it off and back on again essentially. Factory reset is completely resetting it to factory default. To go and do a restart, for the first way you can press and hold the power button like so. Short, you'll get this pop-up and you want to go and select OK and it'll shut down. When you're ready, you can then go and press and hold the power button and it'll go and restart. The second way of restarting is just to go and press the power button once and turn it off. Come to the wall outlet and switch it off and go and unplug it. Come onto your TV, and if you can find it, you can go and press and hold the power button if there is one for 60 seconds. When that time passes, release and we can go and plug it back in. Switch it back on like so. Then you can press the power button on the remote. Alternatively, if you want to go and completely remove everything from your TV and factory reset it, press the home button on the remote and you can go and scroll to the top options, scroll along and select the gear or cog icon. In settings, you want to go and scroll down and select device preferences, and you want to go and select about. Scroll down and you can select reset, confirm your decision by pressing reset, and this will erase all data.